Okay guys, welcome to the next tutorial. So today we're going to be making a lantern. So we're going to take the default cube right here and we're just going to work with this. Just elongate it slightly so that it is much of a lantern shape. So we're going to go on to edit mode, and what we will do is we're going to subdivide this. So we're going to Control R just to give it some loop cuts. And you want to just quarter it. So that you've got the same kind of pattern on each side. So 1, 2, and then 3. And then 1, 2, and then we should have a third right here. So when we do this, we're going to also go sideways. I'm just going to undo that one. Until at least you have the same amount of space around the outside as everywhere else. Corner to corner, Control Shift. We go corner to corner, Control Shift, corner to corner, Control Shift, corner to corner, and Control Shift, and then we'll go corner to corner and Control Shift again. For this part, just leave it as it is at the moment. We're going to go E for extrude. Just keep it where it is. Scale. And this will bring it inwards. Just slightly. Just scale upwards for the top. And then scale to the side for the sides. So you have this nice prism going on in the middle. So now for this one, we want to add glass and we want to have a normal surface. So when we do this, go to the colours for the materials. So material 1 will be outer. And then we're going to press plus and we press new. And material, the second material will be glass. So the outer, we want this one as a black. And then the inner, the glass, will be glass. We're just going to change over to cycles right now. Let's come back to materials. So this one we're going to assign it. I'm going to go to object mode. And we will make the glass. So we can go with glass right here. And now we can see that we have this frosted glass. Change the roughness down a little bit. And you can just see through it. We can also mess with the IOR. So you can kind of have very frosted glass, or you can have very defined glass. I'm just going to bring the roughness down just a little bit. Okay, so at this point we notice that it's just a box with a load of glass, and I mean you can keep it like that if you'd like it like that. For me personally, I'm just going to shrink the box in at the bottom. So it's going to go to one corner, shift control, select everything, and then just scale it in. Just slightly. And then we're going to go to shift control all over the base right here. And then we can shrink this inwards slightly as well. Just to kind of give it a little bit of a bevel on the edges. Now for this top part, select the corners again, shift control, E for extrude. Now at this part you can actually scale this inwards. Press G, move it up. And then we can go E for extrude. E for extrude again, scale it outwards just slightly, E for extrude, scale outwards, E for extrude. How we can make this fancy little top here. Just scale it back in. And then right here we could have the top of the lantern, which it's attached to whatever it's attached to. So you could put that in just there. Now for these little sides, we can make these glass as well. So just Control R. And then we will take this face, this face, this face, and this face. And just continue the pattern all the way around. And then we'll press E for extrude. And then we're going to scale it inwards on one side. Scale inwards on the other. So now we kind of have this lantern thing going on. And now we can assign the glass to those points. So when we've finished, we've got a lantern that looks like this. Now you can add some texture onto this part. I'm just going to shade smooth. So this would be just a basic lantern that you would have outside of a house, I guess. Kind of a very modern version of a lantern. So now we want to put something in the middle that emits light. So I'm just going to turn the light off here and just get rid of it. So for this, I'm just going to split this so you guys can see. And then I'm going to add a plane on the bottom so it just catches some of the light. So right here we want to add a cylinder. Just elongate it before you put it inside. Scale it down. Press G. Want the cylinder to come into the middle right here, as you can see it. Just scale it upwards a little bit so it matches with the top of the jar. Maybe you want to make it go all the way down. This is your design. And this will be our emission piece. So to make an emission, we're going to go to New, go to Principle BSDF and click Emission. And now we can see that we have a little light going on in the inside here. I'm just going to make this slightly yellow. Now if we mess with the strength here, you see that the light comes on. And you see that we have some light being caught right here on the base plane. So this is just a basic lamp tutorial for you guys, just to show you how to make these. And the best thing about it as well, you can change the colours. So you can have it as a ruby red if you'd like. You can take it to a green. A royal blue, I guess, if you wanted a royal blue. There's many different variants of colours here that you can choose from. Okay, so yeah, if you like this tutorial, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers, bye.